Hello everyone. I thought I'd do a room tour. Right. Okay, let's start. So this is my room. If I open this is in Kyoto. Right, enters in from here. Greeted with a him and her style washing up sinks. Right. Have a little washer dryer. A little bit of a window there. Interesting. If you go out this side, a little bit of a towel rack. Shower here. Also got another shower here. There's a jacuzzi in there. With a TV, of course. With a TV and AC. Towel here. Now here comes the bedroom. TV here. Bedroom over there. Yeah? Pretty good. I'll try show a different perspective. It's a bit messy because I sat on it. Right, yeah, from this side. Very nice, very nice. Some of the lads are going to be sharing the bathroom in terms of the showers, of course. So they'll be in and out. But yeah, very nice. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed.